6 Best Foods to Heal Your Kidneys After 50. Beyond the age of 50, our bodies naturally slow down, and our kidneys become more susceptible to issues like high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and a slower filtering process. The number of filtering units, called nephrons, which remove waste and toxins from the blood, decreases, causing the kidneys to shrink over time. The kidney surface becomes rough with cysts, which are fluid-filled sacs and scars. With these changes, after age 50, your kidneys naturally lose about 0.4 to 2.6% of their function each year. And the foods you eat after 50 can either accelerate or slow down kidney aging. If you want to take preventive steps to keep your kidneys functioning at their optimum, this video is for you. Today, we're covering the top 6 foods to help rejuvenate and protect your kidneys. These aren't just any foods. We've sifted through hundreds of studies to bring you the most powerful ones that address the unique challenges your kidneys face after 50. They're nutrient-packed, and many of them have powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and blood pressure balancing properties. Stick around to get the simple tips for making the most of these natural healers and see how your next meal could become powerful medicine for your kidneys. Before we dive in, please note, all the information in this video is thoroughly fact-checked, unbiased, and reviewed by qualified professionals. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is free of sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, so it's kidney-friendly. Adding this oil to your meals helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins more easily. Plus, this oil itself is loaded with healthy fats, powerful antioxidants, and kidney-supporting vitamins like vitamin E and K. These nutrients help reduce stress and inflammation in the kidneys to keep them strong and healthy upon reaching 50. Moreover, as you get older, especially after 50, those blood vessels supplying the kidneys, or arteries, become hardened, narrower, stiffer, and less flexible. This stiffness raises your blood pressure and causes the kidney to shrink. Studies have shown that olive oil can help lower blood pressure and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries, reducing kidney strain and improving blood flow to your kidneys. Plus, phenolic compounds in extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO for short, can help relax blood vessels. A 2021 study in Antioxidants journal also found that hydroxytyrosol from olive oil can help prevent kidney and eye damage. For an easy way to add olive oil to your meals, try drizzling a tablespoon or 2 over salads, or use it to cook vegetables, avoid high heat, and whole grains like quinoa. Mixing your oil with lemon juice or rosemary is a simple way to boost flavor and take care of your kidneys at the same time. Buying bigger bottles of quality oil and store brands from reliable retailers can be a smart, budget-friendly choice. Just transfer some to smaller bottles to prevent oxidation. 5. Blueberries. The power of blueberries for kidney health lies in their high antioxidant content, especially anthocyanins, which give them that rich blue color. These antioxidants are essential for fighting inflammation and oxidative stress, which speed up aging and damage cells and tissues, including kidney tissues. Also, as our natural antioxidant defenses weaken with age, snacking on some blueberries can help keep us protected. Blueberries are also low in potassium and sodium, which makes them suitable even if you have compromised kidney function. A great way to incorporate blueberries is to eat about half a cup to a cup daily, in a smoothie or mixed into oatmeal or Greek yogurt. Morning or mid-afternoon is ideal to enjoy because these berries can give you a gentle energy boost. Although blueberries are beneficial for most people, if you struggle with blood sugar or are managing diabetes, the most common cause of kidney disease, note that this fruit still has some sugar, but not enough to cause sugar crash, so choose fresh over dried. Dried blueberries tend to have added sugars. Start small with 1/4 cup, watch how it affects your blood sugar, and slowly increase the amount if it stays steady. To keep it budget-friendly, check out local U-Pick farms and buy berries in bulk during peak season. Freeze them fresh without washing, and they'll last up to 6 months. Just rinse right before you eat. Avoid metal containers as it can affect their taste. Are you enjoying our video so far? If so, please give us some hints by dropping a like, and we'll make more content like this. 4. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are high in vitamin C, 3 times more than oranges. But unlike oranges, peppers contain very low amounts of oxalates, making them a great choice for preventing kidney stones. After 50, our bodies don't absorb vitamin C as well, so eating more of it can support our kidney health and slow bodily aging. Red bell peppers are also high in other antioxidants like vitamins A and phenolic acids, which support the immune system, combat age-related inflammation, and reduce oxidative stress. Plus, eating this veggie can help lower both blood pressure and blood sugar, which is great to prevent kidney damage at old age. Red bell peppers are also low in sodium and phosphorus, so they are a safer choice for anyone on a low-sodium diet. Plus, you don't need to worry about adding salt because their flavor is naturally vibrant. However, 1 cup of red bell pepper has 320 milligrams of potassium. So if you have kidney issues or are on a low-potassium diet, check with your doctor first. Also, those having a sensitivity to nightshade vegetables, such as tomatoes, eggplants, and white potatoes, should be cautious with bell peppers. But if you choose red bell peppers as a part of your kidney-friendly diet, to maximize their benefits, consider eating about half a cup a few times a week, ideally at lunch or dinner. Bell peppers are delicious raw, diced into salads or quinoa, or lightly sautéed in olive oil. For better absorption, especially after 50, eat peppers fresh, and remember to cut them just before using, or lightly cook them to keep vitamin C intact. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods, so pairing them with iron-rich options like leafy greens, lentils, or tofu is a smart idea. 3. Cauliflowers. Cauliflowers are rich in fiber, vitamins, and compounds called indoles and sulforaphane, which help reduce age-related inflammation and oxidative stress throughout the body, especially inside your kidneys. A fiber-rich diet aids digestion because a healthy gut supports toxin removal. Plus, maintaining a healthy weight is important for aging well. Cauliflower is a great low-calorie alternative to starchy foods, helping you keep your weight as you age. Additionally, cauliflowers are very low in phosphorus and sodium. Cauliflowers have about 200 milligrams of potassium per 1/2 cup serving, so take note if you're monitoring potassium. Having about 1 cup of cauliflower 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. Buy whole head cauliflowers instead of pre-cut. Look for those florets with firm, compact heads and clean, white color with no strong odor. Enjoy them roasted, steamed, or mashed as a low-carb substitute for potatoes. Lunch and dinner can be a great time to include cauliflowers since they pair well with main dishes like fish or lean proteins. If you experience bloating, which cauliflowers can occasionally cause, try steaming it lightly to aid digestion. You can also pair them with a sprinkle of turmeric and a side of wild salmon and olive oil for an anti-inflammatory meal that's also gentle on your kidneys. 2. Garlic. Garlic is rich in antioxidants like allicin and organosulfur, which give it both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects properties that help prevent kidney infections. Allicin also supports overall blood pressure regulation, a key factor for protecting your kidneys and aging well. A 2017 study in rats even found that allicin could protect kidneys as well as, or better than, losartan, a common medication for chronic kidney disease, or CKD for short. Plus, garlic is a good source of selenium and manganese. These minerals are often low in the elderly with CKD or on dialysis, so adding more garlic to your diet is a smart way to help out. Plus, with just under 1% of your daily intake for sodium, potassium, and phosphorus in 3 cloves, garlic is totally kidney-friendly. The best way to enjoy garlic is to add 1 to 2 minced garlic cloves, about 3 grams to 6 grams, to your daily meals. Seniors should start with 1/2 cloves of garlic daily and increase gradually, and it's best spread throughout the week rather than consuming all at once. Crush or chop your raw garlic and let it sit some minutes before cooking to activate beneficial compounds like allicin. Garlic's flavor shines when paired with veggies, olive oil, or lean proteins. If raw garlic is too strong for you, or if you suffer from acid reflux, try roasting it to reduce its intensity. Avoid eating garlic right before bedtime to prevent digestive discomfort. Better yet, consider fermented black garlic for enhanced absorption. While garlic can lower blood pressure, if you're on medication for it, it could cause your pressure to drop too much. Ask your doctor to monitor it regularly. For those interested in the evidence, the studies supporting our claims are provided in the link in our description box. 1. Fish. People with CKD, those on dialysis, or older adults may have lower selenium and zinc levels than those of healthy, younger individuals. A zinc and selenium deficiency can lead to issues like more inflammation, anemia, itchy skin, and even changes in your sense of taste, making salty foods more appealing and potentially harming your kidneys. Adding fish to your meals can help, as it's a great source of both minerals. Moreover, fish, especially fatty varieties like salmon, sardines, and trout, are fantastic options for kidney health. They are packed with high-quality protein that's easier on the kidneys and also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as DHA and EPA. Omega-3s are essential in helping to reduce the age-related inflammation and pressure that strains kidneys over time. Research also suggests that while animal fats can be hard on the kidneys, omega-3s from fish provide protective polyunsaturated fats. Many Western diets overdo omega-6 from sources like corn oil, so balancing that with omega-3s through fish can create a healthier fat ratio. The protein and vitamin D content in fish also supports overall cardiovascular health. And since heart and kidney health are closely connected, the heart benefits of fish add another layer of value. To reap the most kidney benefits, focus on fatty fish and aim for 2 to 3 servings of 4 to 6 ounces each per week. Fish contains some phosphorus, potassium, and sodium, so for a kidney-friendly dish, try pairing baked, poached, or grilled fish with roasted cauliflower or a fresh quinoa salad drizzled with lemon juice or olive oil. Try to increase frequency but decrease portion size. This helps retain the healthy fats without introducing extra sodium and phosphorus. For a lighter option, add a side of leafy greens or steamed veggies to keep it fresh and wholesome. However, raw preparations like sushi should be limited, as those over the age of 50 are more susceptible to harmful bacteria and parasites in raw fish. Also, if you have gout or elevated uric acid levels, it's wise to be cautious with sardines, as they're high in purines, a compound that, when broken down, forms uric acid, which can lead to the formation of kidney stones. Conclusion. As we've discovered, supporting your kidneys after 50 can be as simple as reorganizing your shopping list. Start your day with antioxidant-rich blueberries, add crisp red bell peppers to your lunch, and include heart-healthy fish in your dinner rotation. Let cauliflower become your new side dish staple. Drizzle olive oil over your meals to absorb vitamins better, and make garlic your go-to alternative for table salt. These foods don't work in isolation. They work better together, especially when you choose whole, natural foods over processed ones. Remember, it's never too late to start caring for your kidneys. Every meal is an opportunity to heal and protect them, and your future self will thank you for making these simple but powerful changes today. We hope this video has given you insight into how powerful small dietary changes can be for your kidney health, especially after 50. Each of these foods supports kidney function and provides protective benefits that can help prevent further issues down the line. Remember, a little planning goes a long way, so feel free to revisit this video when meal planning or grocery shopping. If you want to learn more about kidney health, check out our other videos on our channel. Now, we want to send a big thank you to all our current subscribers and viewers. Your support inspires us to continue sharing valuable content. Hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss a life-saving video. The sooner you spot kidney issues, the more you can do to keep things under control. If you're unsure about your kidney health and haven't been in a good shape recently, check out the video on the screen. Here, we cover all the possible symptoms, helping you spot kidney failure and take action effectively if needed. See you there? Stay informed, stay healthy.